Hello friends, today I am going to show you color game that I created in PowerPoint. You can completely edit this game. If you like, I can send you by email. Send me your email in the comment box. If you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Now let's play.
White, yellow, orange, red, pink, green, blue, purple, gray, brown, black, yellow,
So let's play game. If I click on this is the yellow, okay, if I click on other color, okay, that is gonna hidden. So if I click on yellow, that is the right answer, okay, and then click on this arrow button, go to the next slide,
blue,
and here is a sound, that is a blue is the right answer, right? Your kids can guess blue. You can ask your student one by one, okay, they come and they touch by self. That's really you can make fun with
red,
your kids. You let them try. So if you call one student and he come and he choose the right one, then he can play the next slide, and if he choose wrong, then he go back and other student will come. Okay, so right, that is the right answer. So you also can give them points.
black,
You also can ask each student 3 to 4. So this way you can make your friends happy.
green, orange,
So you can ask also about the picture, and then you can ask what color is it, okay, and they can choose the color, okay, orange. That's really very interesting game.
pink,
You can play with your kids, your student. Is perfect for the kindergarten.
white,
It's already white.
brown,
You also can edit pictures and the colors according to your class. End of the video, I will tell you how you can edit.
Gray.
Okay, if you choose wrong, that will hidden gray.
Purple. Yellow.
Okay, like this you can play game with your kids. And now I'm going to show you how you can edit. You can make duplicate, right click on it and make duplicate slide. Okay, and if you want to change the color or move up and down, you can do that. Okay, you can change the position and you also can change the picture. Okay, any other picture you can put here. You can see here the original picture is white and this is the second picture. When this color will comes up and this and the first picture will hidden and this picture will come. Okay, so anything you want you can change. I hope you like. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.